All right, welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna share with you what we do on our Word documents. The first thing is converting it into PDF. So most of you might know, but there are so many people still asking me sometimes, how can I convert my Word documents into PDF? I'm using Windows 2010. Windows 10, not 2010. Anyways, Windows 10. So I'm using Windows 10. So the Word documents that I'm using is latest. So if you guys are using any version, probably you might have difficulties using, like if you are using like 2003, or I mean 97 to 2003 or 97 or 2007, it depends, but I'm sharing with you the Windows 10 version. Okay, so the Windows 10 version is easiest right now. Things are becoming very easy, very light to handle. So this is the one that I'm sharing with you. So I'll show you how step by step I convert my PDF. Sometimes you may use PDF converter if your window is not working, but Windows 10 has all the features or everything. Whatever you use, you can convert using Windows 10. So let's go and let's get started this one and convert one of my documents here. I am having this document. So the documents that I'm working currently. So I'm going to share with you anyways. So I'll convert it and I'll show you how it works. So to do that, the first thing is after you finish your work, you can save it in PDF format, okay? But before saving, make sure that you finish everything. You're done with this. You edited. You just did everything ready for you to save before you do anything. So make sure that that one comes first. Then what you do is to save as a PDF. You go to File on the left upper corner here. Click that one. Click File, and you'll get an options. So options are coming here. From the options you choose Save As. Okay, when it comes like that, you'll see different options. So it asks you how to save. So first, either you create a new document, a new folder here by clicking this. So it asks you to type your new folder name. So if you don't want to change your folder, and if you want to save it as existing document, probably you don't need this one. Okay, for me, I'll save it in my folder, so I will show you how it goes. So to do that, I have to choose Browse. Okay, so I have to choose Browse, and it asks me to save in this computer. So I'll choose Browse, then I'll click Browse, and then save it. So before that, I'm going to show you something here. So there is an option that asks you to save as a PDF here in this choice. You have a drop down that you can drop down and choose PDF. There are different formats that asks you to save your file, but our intention is to save it as PDF. So you can just leave it that way, and later on you can change this one. Either you can change it now, or you can just change it now as a PDF, or you can come back and change it. It's up to you. Or you can just leave it as it is, okay, as a Word document. Then you can click Browse here, and it asks you again. It gives you an option to save your file. Then you choose file name. Just type file name. Let's say Wandy PDF. Okay, let's say Wandy PDF or sample PDF. We can give names. Then there is an option, the same option that I showed you down here. I'm gonna just bring this one down here. I'll just bring it here for you to easy watch. So you see that one here. So this one is the same as the one that you have it here. Okay, so you'll see this, these two, file name and the format. the file name and the format. So what we do is we're gonna choose this. Okay, from this we get a drop down option that tells us, let me pull this up a little bit. So you see this option, right? So you can choose PDF. Let's choose PDF and see what it shows. Okay, now it takes you to different folders that contain PDF file on the computer. So it takes away all the Word documents, but if you click this one back to Word, it shows you the Word documents you have in the computer. Okay, and if you just choose the PDF, it brings back your PDF files so that you can save your files as PDF. Sometimes it puts all the PDFs together. So that way you can easily identify, and it's easy and easy and easy. Okay, so I'm gonna click this new folder. I have a new folder, then I rename that folder. Let's rename it. Okay, I'll rename that folder PDF just for video purposes. I'll delete later on. Now I created a new folder, then I'll double click that one. Okay, I'll double click that one as a PDF. So I'll double click and I'll save my file there. I'll click save. I changed the name of the file, I changed the format, then I created a folder, then I'll save it. When I click save, it goes, everything will stay down there. But make sure that try to remember where you saved. If you have like large documents in your computer, sometimes you may be juggling around trying to find your document. Please don't lose that one, but make sure that you are saving in the right spot. Mine is saved under this folder, PDF folder. So I'll go and get it. So I'll show you when it saves. Okay, the file name is Wandy PDF. Then let's save it. Boom, now it's saved. Then everything disappears, right? From the window, everything goes away. So what I would do is I'm gonna go back to my folder and try to find where it is. Okay, let's see where I saved it. You see, it's here, PDF. It's Wandy. You got it. Here you go. This is a PDF file I have. Okay, this is a PDF file. It's converted. You see that one? Let me close it so you can see that it's changed from Word to PDF. Change to PDF. You see that one. All right. Look at this. Wandy PDF. This is a PDF format. Woo! Nice and easy. And I'll show you some other features if you want to add some comments here, if you want to sign. This is actually easy versions of Windows. Okay, so this is it about converting words to PDF in a slow and fastest format. Okay, thank you so much guys. Take care. Bye bye.